Hello, welcome back to Wonderful Garden 01. This is where we explore the secrets of natural flower propagation. Easy, safe, and incredibly magical. Have you ever wondered how a single delicate flower branch like this can be revived into a vibrant rose bush? Join me as we embark on our journey of rose propagation, from a tiny branch to a fragrant garden. Before we begin, we need to choose really healthy rose branches. Look closely, the branch is not too young, not too old. Has a bright green color and slightly shiny bark. The branch is about 12 to 15 centimeters long, with 2 to 3 leaf buds. Because it is from those positions that the new buds will be awakened. Remove the lower leaves to limit transpiration, keeping only one or two top leaves. Where the plant can still breathe, but still focus its energy on rooting. The base is cut at a 45-degree angle. This cutting angle not only increases the contact area with water and nutrients, but also creates conditions for young roots to easily form. If you also love that pure beauty, please subscribe to the channel, like or share this video, so that many people know that, with just a little patience and love, we can multiply countless flowers. And here's the natural secret: a small clove of garlic. The inside of garlic cloves contains antibacterial and growth-stimulating compounds. Helps clean cuts, prevents fungus, and especially promotes faster, healthier root growth. All these small steps, simple as they are the foundation for a new life to begin. This is dried orange peel. Many people may be surprised. But do you believe that with only natural ingredients like this, can we create a complete rooting solution that helps cuttings take root quickly, white and healthy? Put about 20 grams of dried orange peel in a clean glass jar. Orange peel contains citric acid and natural essential oils. The active ingredients help stimulate stem cell growth, while also being very effective antibacterial and antifungal. Create a healthy environment for young roots to begin forming. Next, add 3 peeled and chopped fresh garlic cloves. Garlic is a wonderful gift from nature. It contains allicin, a compound that has antibacterial, antifungal, and growth-promoting properties. When combined with orange peels, they create a balanced foundation between clean, safe, and rich in bioenergy. Then, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the jar, not to boiling. Just enough to release the essential oils and active ingredients from the orange peel and garlic, helping them dissolve and diffuse naturally. Hot water acts as a bridge, activating all the nutrients inside. And finally, a familiar but incredibly important ingredient: honey. Add a teaspoon of raw honey. Honey contains natural enzymes and plant sugars. Helps nourish young tissue, protect the cut, and keep the cuttings moist, helping the roots grow stronger. After stirring gently, cover and let the solution cool naturally. During that time, the nutrients will gradually blend and combine perfectly to create a natural, pure and effective root stimulant solution. With just 3 simple ingredients, orange peel, garlic and honey, we not only create a safe rooting solution, but also the perfect harmony between nature and science. With this method, I will grow cuttings hydroponically. Gentle, clean, and completely natural. You just need to prepare a clean sponge and a transparent glass cup. Cup the sponge to fit the mouth of the cup, so that when placed in, it sits firmly and does not shift. The sponge here is not simply a support for the branch, it also acts as a biological cushion. Helps retain moisture, secure cuttings, and allows air and light to diffuse evenly around the stem. Once the water has cooled, slowly strain out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. That's the cream of the crop, packed with natural nutrients that help stimulate root formation and nourish new shoots. The water will now be a light yellow color and clear in the light. A great sign that the active ingredients have been fully extracted. Now pour the natural rooting solution we just prepared into the cup, so that the water level just touches the bottom of the sponge. This way, the cuttings will gradually absorb moisture through the sponge, without being completely submerged in water. It is very important to avoid root rot. Then, using a small stick or the tip of a chopstick, gently make a small hole right in the center of the sponge. This hole is where we'll place the base of the cutting, snug enough to keep the cutting upright, and to allow the solution to easily soak evenly around the cut. Gently place the rose cutting in the center of the sponge, with the base in contact with the solution below. Finally, I used a large cup upside down, with a few small holes punched in it to let the air out. This simple way creates a natural greenhouse effect, helps maintain humidity, stabilize temperature, and most importantly, helps cuttings not lose water in the first few days. Once everything is done, I will place the cup in a cool place with soft natural light, but out of direct sunlight. Strong sunlight can cause condensation to form too quickly and upset the internal humidity balance, something a young, weak cutting cannot handle. From here, everything will happen naturally. Let time and love for flowers do the work. And here is the result after days of patient waiting. Look closely and you will see at the leaf nodes, green buds have begun to stretch out, revealing the first buds of life. Each bud is a gentle response from nature. And not only that, under the body, where it is soaked in solution, you will see a healthy, pure white root system begin to spread. Gently lift the cutting out of the cup. Then very gently remove the sponge that has been cherishing the branch all these days. And at that moment, we can see the full beauty of the young roots spreading like streams of life, silently growing. Hard to believe, right? With just dried orange peel, garlic, honey, and a little patience, nature has given us back a miracle called life. When the root system has developed stably, this is when we help the cuttings get used to their new environment before planting them in the ground. I prepare a small part containing loose growing medium. Can be a mixture of sand, moss, or light organic humus to create aeration and help young roots spread easily. Gently place the cutting in the center of the part, adjusting so that the roots spread out evenly around it. Then slowly fill in a thin layer of substrate over the base, enough to keep it moist but still allow the roots to breathe. After planting, I place the part in a place with soft light. Ventilation, avoiding direct sunlight for the first few days. This is the stage to help the tree gradually adapt to the soil, before being transferred to plant directly in the garden. Amazing, isn't it? From a small branch, through each day of patience and care, now we have a new life. Healthy, vibrant, ready for a journey outside the garden. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me today.